Teaching how to make macaroni. These are my recipes. We have salt, thyme, curry, seasoning cube, and black pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. Then onion, coconut oil, raw eggs, and your macaroni twist. So I have smoked fish and crayfish, my grounded crayfish, and my tin tomatoes and my bay leaves. These are the recipes I need for this video. So first and foremost, I'm going to chop off my onion. You can slice your onion in any size, but this is how I like slicing mine. This size is okay for me because I like seeing the onion in the food. So I'll get a clean pot and I'll add clean waters. Add waters and I'll put it on the fire. At this point, at this junction, you need to add your eggs so that your eggs will boil along with the macaroni. So I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. So I'm going to put my egg in the water so that it will get boiled with the macaroni at the same time. So sorry for the break, guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and I love you. Let's go back to the video. So I'm going to check the eggs up. The eggs is boiled and the water is boiled. So I'm going to add my macaroni. The water is boiled does not guarantee that your eggs is done. So I'm going to add my macaroni. I'll be using 1 pack of macaroni. So I'm going to add my macaroni. I'll add my macaroni and turn and cover the pot. Please don't cover the pot fully or there will be the pot, it will appear like this. The water will be dropping out of the pot. So just cover it a little bit. So now my macaroni is ready to be washed. I'll use the water instead of making another hot water. I will use the hot water from the macaroni and wash my dried fish. So this is how I do it. I filter the water to the dried fish plate and wash the macaroni, and I also stir my dried fish, and I'll remove the eggs. Don't forget, our eggs are done now, so I will remove them. Very okay and very, in fact, it's ready. No need of wasting your gas or your kerosene or your whatever you are using to cook, or in the name of your boiling eggs separately. So now I will start making my stew for the macaroni. So first of all, add my groundnut oil and my onions, of course. But for adding your onions, allow your oil to get hot before adding your onions. So they're waiting for it to get hot. It's hot. So we're going to add our crayfish. Then just stir a little and add your tin tomatoes. Add your tin tomatoes and stir. Add any quantity you want to use, and I will stir gently. At this junction, I'll be adding my seasoning cubes so that it will get dried with the tomatoes. Please reduce the heat of your gas if it was on high heat before, because you notice that your tomatoes will start burning if it is on high heat. So I'll be turning, stirring and turning so that it won't get burnt, and I'll add my seasoning cubes. And after adding my seasoning cubes, that your oil is on top of your tomatoes, it means it is dried. So add water. If you have chicken stock or fish stock or meat stock, you can add and test for salt and other seasoning. When you test and everything is okay, you add your macaroni, your already cooked and already washed macaroni, and turn them together to have a good stir. So turn it together, turn it gradually, turn it together. The reason why I will not use iron spoon is so that the dough would get burnt before I stir the last time. So I'll turn, I'll stir, I'll turn. So after turning, I will leave for 2 minutes. I'll leave to boil for 2 minutes. After that, my macaroni is ready. Then I'll remove the bare leaves. The bare leaves. Add my eggs. Wow! Look at how my macaroni. I'm used to Indomie. My macaroni is ready after 3 minutes of stirring it. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Thank you. And please try this recipe at home and you will really enjoy it. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Thank you. Bye.